then we can have the open concept inside the building now. These beams are gonna run from the front door all the way to the kitchen. Tell me a little bit about this, Robert. What is this?
The LVL, Laminated Veneer Lumber.
Laminated Veneer Lumber. Okay.
Plywood stacked and glued together, all in
Yeah,
veneer.
still nail is strong anyway, right?
It will not bend. This will tote the load.
All right.
All right, you sure?
I don't know. Hold me, D. There it goes. Woo! You got it. Why is it that color? Is it pressure treated or something?
It's not pressure treated, it's the glue.
It's the glue.
Let me hit it.
Okay. It's going to sit on this wall right here. Horse hangers right here are going to be, it's going to go in there and it's going to connect. And it's going to hold that beam, it's going to be holding this up.
863-640-8401.
And where you work at?
Haven Building Products.
Y'all see that? And he brought the beam to us. All right. That's how, no, we definitely don't want this falling down. So that's an inch and it's total is 5 1/4. Yeah. Tractor day. Felix.
I would get it in the ceiling if it was all together. The trouble would be getting it out of the truck and bringing it over here, because each one of those weigh about 200 to 300 pounds. So
LVL beam in here. You're gonna put that other beam across here today, huh?
Wasn't too defined. Equally. Yeah.
All right, can we get this on the first try, gentlemen? We got the jack, we got the beam, we got the brace, we got Mike, we got Ben, we got Felix. That thing's pretty strong, Felix.
Nail your fingers. Pull it this way.
All right, doing some degrading. Hold on, wait. Degrading over here.
Hold it right there. I'm going on the west
Felix,
side.
put it on the ladder, Felix. Put it on the ladder, Felix. Put it on the, there you go, take your time, we got you. Hold up, you gotta come down. Y'all gotta come down on your end. Oh. Take your time, Felix. Just push it up. You in that board hitting it, Felix. All right, now, go. Go. All right, we working, y'all. Just hold it right there, Mike, just hold. Okay. Hold on. Give us a call if you need our services. 931-241-9714. Come to me, Ben. You got more height. My wife's a realtor. Salute all veterans. No, he don't. Felix gonna get it in there. Hold up, Felix. I'm coming on your end, Felix.
We got it. Hit it with the sledgehammer over there. No, don't worry about the 2x2. Grab the sledgehammer and hit it that way.
What is this, Felix? This is a beam that you made? You put plywood in between it. Yeah. Plywood in between two 2x8s. last time? Yeah. There's a wall right there. We put that big old, the 3 beams up there. It's 3 pieces of wood like this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.